Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of deleting your Snapchat account. So without wasting time, let's get straight into our topic. First of all, open Snapchat. Now click on this logo. Now you have to click on settings. After that, you have to copy your username. Now scroll down. Here you have to find Help Center. Here you have to click on delete my account. Now click on Snapchat account portal. Now simply add your username and click on next. Here you have to type your password and click on next. If you forgot your password, you have to click on forgot password and try to recover it. Finally, you get the account deleting option. Now you have to click on delete my account. Now add your password and click on continue. So this is how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. Thank you for watching and have a great day.